Hi everybody, my name is Ellie. Welcome to my channel. Today I came into the kitchen because I had a little bit of a sweet tooth and I really wanted some cheesecake. So I took this recipe from off of line, but I kind of put a twist on it to make it my own. If you would like to know step by step how I make my cheesecake, please stick around. This is going to be really fun. It's simple, it's easy, and you are going to love it. So I have a very special guest today. He is my special assistant. He is my wonderful, amazing son, and his name is Hunter. Come on in, Hunter, and say hello to the people.
Hello!
So, Hunter, you're going to help me today make this cheesecake, right? Mm-hmm. All right, and I'm super excited, so let's get started. Okay, so for the crust, we're going to start with a 1/2 cup melted butter in a pot. And we're going to use a spring-form pan. This one is a 9-inch, but you definitely need one of those. For the graham cracker crust, we're just going to go ahead and blend it up in a Ninja because it's just easier that way. So yeah, go ahead and use that Ninja and make life easier on yourself.
It got a crack. It kind of had a crack, people, but you don't need a crack on yours. I said you go
Don't touch it.
Don't touch hot things or hot things.
Exactly. So now it's time to dump the graham crackers into the spring form. So now we're gonna press it down.
We'll press it down. Push it down. Push it.
Oh yeah!
Wait, what is she doing? Like, she pinning her eye. That's what you're gonna be needed for the day. Let's start clean. Okay, I'm gonna get one more.
So for the spices, we went ahead and added a tablespoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of both allspice and clove, and then we sprinkled in a little bit of ginger because why not? Yep, now pour it in there. Lift it up. So now we just put the cheesecake in the oven. It's going to be in there for a while. It does take about 4 hours to set, but we'll catch you when it's done and it's ready to cut and slice. And
it's kind of my bedtime. Kind of my bedtime.
Well, you got about 2 more hours.
Yeah, time 2 more hours, but yeah. I don't care though.
And
wait, today's Friday. I don't have school.
Oh, you don't have school tomorrow. So we'll be back tonight so that you can see how it tastes. It might be late, but we'll be back tonight to show you how it tastes. Also, I'm thinking about putting some kind of topping. So we'll see. I'm thinking maybe some spiced pineapple because I love me some pineapples. But we'll see. We'll talk about it. I got to talk to the chef over here and we'll see what we come up with. See you soon. Hey, tell them we'll see them later.
We'll see you later. Bye.
Okay guys, so we did go ahead and finish our cheesecake. Look at that. So it's kind of short, but it is beautiful, guys. So I'm sitting in here.
Some toppings on it, like.
So me and Hunter said that we would probably do a topping, and we did do a topping. We did a pineapple spiced lemon topping, and I'm so excited about it. It is turned out really, really delicious. So for the spiced pineapple lemon topping, I used a 1/4 cup of water. I used some lemon juice, cornstarch to kind of thicken it up, some baking spices, and fresh pineapples. And I simmered it. So it'll be in the description box below.
Find instruction right here.
Absolutely. So let's show you.
Like I said, don't touch with sharp objects.
Don't touch sharp objects.
And right now, it's not even past my bedtime.
So look at that. Oh my goodness.
Like, look. We made it from scratch. It might have a little, it might break for yours, like on the sides.
Yeah, so what Hunter's saying is normally not a thing. So we did leave it in a little bit longer than it should be. Basically, when you touch it, it should just kind of be a little jiggly at the top. And we just cooked it a little bit longer, but it's still going to taste so good. So we're going to slice it open so you can see. All right, so we're going to slice it now. Ooh.
Booga, 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 booga.
Yeah, don't let them cracks fool you. This thing is delicious. It's a little bit darker too because of all of the spices. But look, we're just gonna pull this up. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is about to be delicious. And Hunter gets the first slice. So you didn't tell me how you feel about it.
First time I have one right here. It's so good, guys.
Well, that makes me really, really happy that you like it. Amazing.
Best cheesecake ever.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching our video. Such an amazing time baking this cheesecake, and I hope you tried it out. It is delicious. So we are gonna go and finish eating, not the flip-flop in the kitchen. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and eat up and enjoy the rest of our Friday night because he doesn't have school tomorrow. Say bye to everybody. Bye.
Say bye.